1 and product name Coca Cola T100. Okay, for examples. And then you can click on new. New. Okay. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to insert data on cell. Use data entry form in Microsoft Excel. Okay, for my example, I have a table, have 3 columns: product code, product name, and quantity for show you. Okay, the first time you should select your column that you want to insert data to its cells. Okay, select already. You can right click on the blank rebound place and choose customize the rebound, and then you add choose command from. You select all command and scroll down for find form. Okay, here, and the right size you can create new tab for insert form inside it. Okay, rename your tab data entry and select on new group, and the left side select form and insert. Click on button add. So rename form to product entry, and choose an icon for instead this name. Okay, I choose here, I choose it, and okay, already. Okay, now you can insert data from form, data entry form to a cell on your table. Okay, now click on data entry and product entry and click OK. Okay, this one, the form, product code, product name, and quantity. So you can type 1 and product name Coca Cola and quantity 100. Okay, for examples. And then you can click on new, or you can enter new. Okay, 2 Fanta 150. Click new. This is how to insert data on your cell. Use data entry form in Microsoft Excel. It's easy for you for process your work with Microsoft Excel and easy.